Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm gonna do sort of like a small short review of the MSR PocketRocket stove. Um, I basically just got this for I guess sort of like a small emergency type of thing if the power goes out, just so I can boil some water or just do a few small things around the house to cook or whichever, just for a few small basic simple things. So basically that's what it is, the MSR PocketRocket. If you need to, if you want to read anything from here, just pause the video so you could read the stuff. It's 11,000 BTU. Supposedly you could boil 1 liter of water in about 3 minutes 20 seconds. I haven't tried it yet. And the 3,200 watt or W, I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean, but so if there's anything on here you want to read, just pause the video. So, so basically what the stove looks like, it's a 1 burner thing. It comes in a small, pouch like this. And basically what you do is you just pull out these legs, you twist them. You twist them and you pull them out. You just pull out and twist. So this here is basically going to be the stand for your pots or pan or whichever. This here is to regulate the heat or the gas that comes out. And it comes with a small igniter. So you push this button here, and it makes a spark basically in the center here to light the flames. So this here is just some fuel that I got for it, which is made by MSR also, but there's some fuel canisters you get from other companies. But this is basically what they had in the store close by, so just gonna take the cap off. If it wants to come, there you go, it comes off. And you basically just screw this on. It has some thread here in the center, and here has some threads. Just gonna make sure that it's off by twisting this. You basically just screw it on. You'll hear a bit of gas when you're screwing it on. And it should stop. So you just want to do it to where it's like it's basically stops turning. You don't want to crank it too tight. So I'll basically just turn off the lights just so I can see what the flame looks like. So you just basically just turn the fuel on a bit. That's basically what the fuel looks like, what the flame looks like. You can do it higher. I don't think you can get the whole flame on the camera, but you can get lower. Sorry if it's not coming on properly on the camera, but so if you want to boil water, I guess you could just turn it on max. I'm not sure how long a tank this size is going to last, but it should last a while. So I'm just going to shut it off and just going to turn the lights back on. So, what size tank is this? I got the 16 ounce tank here. I figured just so at least, you know, it's going to last for a while. I got this also because it's going to be a bit cheaper compared to getting the 4 ounce tank, and cheaper compared to getting the 8 ounce tank. I forget how much the smaller tanks were, but in the longer run, it's cheaper to get the larger tank. I think if I got four of the small tanks, I think it would end up coming close to I think $18, maybe $20. Whereas a tank like this here was anywhere between $10 and $13. So in the long run, that kind of adds up. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope this was somewhat interesting. And everyone have a good day. Bye.